Welcome everybody. In today's video I will show you how to fix Toca word sound problem easy and quick, so let's learn how to do it. You need guys to open the settings of your phone as the first step. Go click right now on apps option and search for Toca word and click on it like this. So guys, now you will see this list. Come click on storage option. Click clear cache now, and back after this click on force stop and click OK. Come here to Play Store or App Store and update your Toca word. Guys, after that you should now restart your mobile phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and bye.